everyone, it's Tiffany. Welcome back to my channel. I have yet another Funko Games featuring brand new Disney Pixar You Can Fly. Thank you so much to Funko Games for sending this amazing package to me. I got so many cool games. Make sure you check out all the unboxing videos in my playlist, and you're gonna really love this, especially if you're a Disney Pixar fan. This game is for ages 4 and up. It's 2 to 4 players, so it's a great game to play for like a family game night. And it's based off of all of the flying characters in the Disney Pixar universe. Actually promotes you to get up and play. And it also has a seal of approval. It's babysitter approved. Now, a lot of their games have this approval because it's easy to learn, easy to put away, and fun to play. And it's so true. Take a look at the back of the box. It gives you a quick synopsis of how to play. So you create your own course throughout the house or outdoors. Then you face funny flying challenges, throw with your eyes closed, between your legs, and more. And then you collect the most points to win. And check out this unboxing. So super cool. You get all of the foam flyers, the obstacle course points, and look, it's a cloud shaped like a hidden Mickey. Then we have the token holders. Now all of the pieces are out of the box, and I'm going to show you quickly how to play. To really support that get up and go type of gameplay, we're going to start like this. You're going to place the 8 clouds at least 3 giant steps away from each in a path around your play area. Make sure they are in number order. Then each player can choose their flyer. So you could either choose Pegasus from Hercules, Dumbo from Dumbo, Tinkerbell from Peter Pan, or Buzz Lightyear. Place the oval-shaped flight tiles face down underneath each of the cloud markers. Make sure you mix them up. And on each of these cards are different obstacles. The winner of that round then takes this flight tile. They take it with them for the next game. The winner of that round, who's closest to the cloud card, can now take a flight tile. Place each cloud marker in a base. After you do that, you're actually going to take 8 of the clouds. They're all numbered. You're going to put them around your house, but they have to be at least 3 giant steps from away from each other. Take their respective lift tokens. So if you chose Tinkerbell, make sure you take 3 lift tokens that match your character. Now take the oval-shaped flight tiles and place them face down. Put 1 in front of each of the cloud markers. Mix them up and put 5 back in the box because you're not going to be using them for that game. Funny because as you go to each cloud marker, you're going to encounter different obstacles. So let's say you are going from London to Neverland. You have to try and toss your flyer to the next marker with your eyes closed. Marker the closest is going to win 4 points. Right there is your point value. You're not going to put a flight tile by the finish line though. Just keep that in mind. Now the youngest player is going to go first. It's your job to try and toss your flyer according to the flight tile instructions from this cloud to the next, depending on the number that you are doing it. So since we started at cloud number 1, we have to toss our flyer to cloud number 2. Turn over the flight tile, and we have to toss covering one eye. So everybody has to toss their flyer while they cover one eye. Whoever makes it to the next tile, whoever makes it to the next cloud marker is the winner for that round. And then they pick up the points and they take their flight tile. Now let's say Tinkerbell won. She gets to take 1 of her lift tokens and place it in front of the next cloud marker. This is going to help out everybody who plays. There are actually 3 different cards that you can get. This one actually happens to be a giant step. Everybody can now take 1 giant step to this cloud marker. You can also get retoss. That means every other player may toss again if they don't like their first toss. Or you can get the ignore tile, which means that you can just ignore that tile altogether and everybody just tosses to the next cloud marker. Now, once all of the flyers have made it to the finish line, in order to win the game, you have to see how many flight tiles you collected. And the player with the most points wins. Overall, I think this game is so adorable and so easy to play and will be so much fun with little kids, especially if you have little ones ages 4 and up. I cannot wait to play with my own kiddos, so make sure you stay tuned for those videos as well. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing video and this quick tutorial of how to play. Thank you so much to Funko Games for sending us the new Disney Pixar You Can Fly, featuring all of our favorite characters from Disney and Pixar. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel. Hit that red subscribe button, and please don't forget to hit the thumbs up as well. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day. Thank you so much to Funko Games for hooking us up.